Okay. Well, is this animal living in the wildlife? It's not. Is it? Do people have the animal in the house, in their house? No. How many legs does it have? 2. Winter animal. I can guess. Penguin. Perfect. Yeah, it is a bit cute. Yes, right. They really slowly work. Yeah. 고양이, well, they're really sweet. You know that? No, that is not true. They are a bit independence. They can seem a bit independent compared to dogs, but they're really sweet because when we enter the house every time, they always greet us. I don't have, but when I worked at my former company, my boss sometimes brought his cat to his company, our company, and I fell in love with the cat. Okay. Well.
Is this animal living in wildlife? How many legs does it have?
Does this animal have a paw? Fur? Yeah. Does this animal sounds meow? Cat, right? Okay, cat. Why do you choose the cat? Really? Wow! My favorite animal is the cat. What is your cat names? Yeah. I can guess cheddar, like yellow and spotted some. I don't know. Really? Well, oh really? But why did you name the cheddar? Cheddar is a bit sounds like a bit yellow. Yeah, cheese. Really? In my case, in my boss's cat case, he always cried until my bosses coming. My bosses came. Yes, really. So that's the reason I can't have my pet. Yeah, because I saw him cry. Yeah, so sad. he always slept. He always slept on my boss's chair. Yeah, so cute, right? Yeah. I'll be surprised. My phone made a noise.
No. Why would you even say that?
My alarm went off. 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 My alarm went off.